This demo explain you how to load the ribbon on EV4 printer. Step 1. Press this button to open the head section. When you press this button, automatically the top section will get open. Then automatically the top section will get open. Then take it off to open it fully. To load the ribbon, you put your two fingers on the below of this white area and push it back. When you push it back, this white area will go off and the ribbon section will come out. To load the ribbon, the step 1, there will be two things for the ribbon. There will be a loaded ribbon and another is one empty core will be there. First, take the empty core, and on the top section you can see there will be there is a small spring area will be there. So you have to put the ribbon empty core on this top section. So you see how it is getting placed. First you put it back there on the spring, then put it into the other side. When you put it on the other side, you can see there is a small notch will be there, and this cut mark is to go to that notch. So to ensure that it is properly fit or not, you just pull it. You can see this ribbon gear section should be get move when you move it. So that makes sure that the empty core has been placed properly. Now we will load the loaded ribbon. To check there, when you open the loaded ribbon, generally there is a two surface the ribbon has. One is actually the one shining surface you can see. If you go the reverse side of the ribbon, it's a non-shining surface, the back side. So it is a non-shining surface. So to the non-shining surface, it should be out face towards you. To ensure that which is non-shining surface, you can take a blank label and you can fix on the ribbon. When you take it out, you will find the ink on the label. So that means it's actually the ink side. So ink side always it should be face toward front. So if you go the below section, there is also the same notch will be there. You have to put the ribbon there, then on the other side also you have to lock it to the notch. Then you take the ribbon and fix it to the empty core by any cello tape or something like that. To you fix it on the empty core, then rotate it. Make sure that all the wrinkles should be go out and ribbon should be move in a clockwise direction. If you can see in the below side, from here to the top, it will be in a continuous clockwise direction. And to check that the ribbon is loaded correctly or not, you can take a empty sticker from the label and just put it on the surface of the ribbon, and when you see if the ink is coming out, that means the ribbon is loaded correctly. Then properly place it. Then to close the ribbon, you put this black section inside the thing. Then pull down the white cover and you will get a lock sound. That means the ribbon is properly locked. Then close the cover by pressing this both sides. So this will complete your ribbon loading process. Thank you.